Are you tired of the discomfort and limitations of TMJ? Dr. Rory Dopps offers chiropractic solutions for jaw pain, providing a holistic approach to managing TMJ and restoring jaw function without invasive treatments. TMJ poses a significant challenge, impacting overall well-being. Dr. Dopps's chiropractic care focuses on alleviating discomfort and restoring function, aiming for long-term resolution and improved jaw health. TMJ's multifaceted nature requires a solution that addresses muscular tension, joint alignment, and nerve function. Dr. Dopps's comprehensive approach transforms the patient's understanding of TMJ, guiding them toward a pain-free existence. Choosing chiropractic care for TMJ reflects a commitment to non-invasive, holistic health solutions. Dr. Dopps offers personalized care plans that resonate with patients' daily experiences and health goals, fostering long-term oral and overall health. Dr. Dopps introduces innovative chiropractic solutions for TMJ, redefining traditional care methods with a focus on joint health and function, challenging the conventional treatment paradigm. Begin your journey toward overcoming TMJ and reclaiming your comfort and quality of life. Schedule your consultation with Dr. Rory Dopps today at doppskc.com and take the first step towards a future free from jaw pain and discomfort.